Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you guys how to make a website using Wix.com. You won't be needing any codes for this. To start off, pick your web browser. I prefer Google Chrome. Then type Wix.com and now you'll need to make an account, but I already have one. So for making an account, you press start now, click on start now, but I'll click on sign in. You can go through your Facebook account or your Google or your Gmail account. So I already have a site, but I want a new one. Then pick the kind of website you want to make, like business, designer, blog, or other. You can click on any of them, but the option on the left side isn't for free, unlike the one on the right. So for now, I'll use the option on the right. Next, pick the website template that you'd like. I will do one about hand drawings. So you can simply type in here the category you want. You can view the template before using it by clicking here, and once you choose the one you want to use, click on edit. So this is the website that I've chosen, and let's begin with the title. First you click on it, then on edit text. If you want to change the title, just type in the new title name. You can also change its theme, either site title, page title, huge heading, or others. The font and font color as well as the size can be changed too. So, for example, for fonts, you can pick this one, Nimbus Sans, not Tisha Text, and others, but I actually like this font, so I'll keep it. You can adjust the font size by either changing it by scrolling or typing the number you want. You can make it bold, italic, underlined, and you can change the color by clicking here. You can even add more colors, like these for example, and you can choose the color and the degree. You can add it or cancel if you don't want it. I will pick this color and X. You can highlight it as well. Pick one of the colors if you want to, or again, add your own color. And if you want, you can also add a link, so whenever you click on hand drawings, you'll be linked to one of the pages, either home, about, resume, gallery, contact, or blog, or none at all, anchor, web address, or email, phone number. It's up to you. I wanted to link to home, so done. Then you can align it to change the alignment to left, center, or right. If you have a list, you can use bullets or even numbers. You can add some effects as well, like this one for example. But you have to select it first, then pick the effect. I don't want it to be underlined, so okay, I'll click on it. You can adjust the spacing as well. Make it wide, make the spacing wide or not. Again, you can choose, you can adjust the spacing either by scrolling or typing. In here too, you can click on the I button to have some advices on how to design your website. For example, set your font size to 16 or above so it's easy to read. Or use 2 to 3 fonts to keep your site looking clean and professional. So once you're done, exit. And you can also animate it by clicking here. So choose the way you'd like your site title to appear on the website once you open it. Either bounce in, glide in, fade in, or others. Just pick the one you like. And then you can customize it. So you can adjust for how long will it expand in, for example, because that's the one I picked. And delay, like once you enter the website, it will wait for some time and then animate. But I don't want it to delay. Then for the images, you can change the image by clicking here. You can upload your own images or pick the images from your social network accounts. You can pick them free from YEIS or basic images where you will have to purchase them to use them. For example, this one's $299 US dollars, and so you have some options here. Like for example, you want animals or art. Just pick the one you want. Or you can type what you want in the search bar to look for it easier. Yeah, so look for the image that you would like. So I picked this image, and it's important to save the file more often. So save it. And you can change the name, but it's only of this part. So you can adjust it by making it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. And then settings, you can change the image from here, or when the image is clicked, a link opens. It opens in a pop-up, or it can be magnified, I think. Okay, and for the design, you can change it like this, for example, or this one. Then you can crop it, and you can animate it too. You can change the filters as well. And just pick the one you like. And for the link, and that's it. Apply for the clip art. Change clip art. Again, you have the same options, and pick the one you like. And adjust it. You can also make it animate. Also animate it. Can change the link to home. Yeah, I want home. And the other clip art, and if you want another one from this, you can either go to add and image free Wix clip art, or free Wix clip art, pick another one, or simply Control C and then Control V to paste. And adjust it. Again, make the link to home. Yeah, okay. And animate as expand in. Okay, so for By Alexandra, I don't want it to link to home, so I want to link it to about, since that's the name of the artist. Okay, now click on the menu bar, manage menu, delete the ones that you don't want. So for example, resume, I don't want it. So you can also change it to main page inside of a sub page, but I want to delete it. I don't want the gallery as well. I only want 3 pages: home, about, and contact. You can rename it, duplicate, make 2 of the same one, hide subpage, or delete. Same with blog. You can also change the page transitions. As you've seen, it goes horizontally, but I don't want that. You can make go vertical. So from page to page, it goes vertical, or crossfade. We're out in. I think I like this one. So yeah, you can add pages as well. Page, link, or menu header, and rename them and adjust them. Okay, and you can also change the layout. So if it's center, left, or right, all tabs are the same size. Tabs fill the whole menu. That's how it look like, but I actually just want them small. Then design. As I said earlier, you can also customize your own design. Okay, so this is the one I picked. Then change image. Then change the images you don't like, or delete them. And you can also add image. And if you want to change the image, replace it. For example, this one. We'll also add a title. And if you want to add description, you can do it. If not, then delete it so that that won't get in your way. Then add a link. As I said, there are lots of options here, and click on web address. Copy the link of the website you want and paste it here. And then done. Repeat to all of them. You can delete images you don't like by clicking here. You can add images by clicking here. You can also adjust how it opens, like for example new window or current window, and I prefer a new window. You can actually edit the picture or the image by clicking here, by clicking here. So first you can crop it. can rotate it other way around. Cancel. There are some effects, just like the ones in Instagram. You can also adjust it the same way. So for example, it's this one. You click there and just apply. And once you're done, save. So this is the one, and this is the previous one. And once you're done, click on done. Do not click on X because X won't save the things that you've done. Then you can change the settings. If you want the images to crop or fit like the whole image to be seen. I think auto crop is better. You can also adjust what happens when they're clicked. Either they open in a pop-up and then the link is down there. It's like it has a line down there. It says go to link, or the link directly opens without showing the title. But I think opening in a pop-up is a better option. And then a link button says show more. If you want to adjust it, then go ahead. And how many extra rows show. Okay. Then layout. How many columns, rows, spacing, and the alignment. For design, you click adjust the spacing if you want. You can even make the gallery full width and randomize layout by. Now what's left is the page design and background. So you click here, and for page design it changes this little area in here, like for example like this. While for page background, it's for the outer area. The ones with the video icon can move, like this one for example, but the ones without do not move. So there are various options, and pick the ones you like. The one you like. Then settings. You can change the image opacity. For example, if it's like this, it's a little bit blurred. You can even change the color behind the image, behind the flamingos. For example, a darker color. You can also change the scroll effects. If you want it to move along when you scroll, pick parallax. If not, then pick freeze. So I like parallax. Then fill. You can change it though, but I think fill is better. You can apply the same background to other pages as well, by either clicking all pages or picking the ones you like, for example, only home and about, or only home and contact, or only home. Then if you want to add a title to this page, you will use the same way of adding clipboard. Add, then instead of image, you go for text. Then site title would be bigger because it's for the entire site. By page titles for this page alone. Then let us adjust it. Adjusted this using the same way as you did for the site title. You can also add a smaller heading. And then edit them. And now design your other pages as well using the same apply to contact as well. You can change context here to just using the same way I've mentioned earlier. And you can also change this one, the design of this box, using other boxes or customizing your own design. And now for contact, you'll have to add your email, phone number, and address in here. You can adjust it using the same process that I've taught earlier, but for the social bar, you should set social links. You can use these icons or replace or add or delete or remove. So you want to add some more color. So pick this one instead. It already has its own link, but I wanted to link to a specific profile. You can move it simply with doing this. So you'll have to copy the link of the profile you want the icon to link to and paste it in here. Do a new window or current window. I pick a new window and copy the same process for the rest. And again, click on done, not X. Adjust this the way I already said, and this one too, and the box at the back as well. Next, click on the contact form, then on set your email. Add your email address so that each time someone sends you a message using this contact bar, Wix website will inform you. Wix website will inform you. Your email won't be public except if you edit it in the text there. Then if you want to require more information, on your contact bar, then click here. So what does the button say? Send. You can adjust it, but I don't have anything else in mind. So when people submit your form, they will either see a message or open a link, or a link will open. But I prefer show a message. The message can say success message received, or you can adjust it. Then change the layout if you want. How is the text aligned? And change the design. Then preview your work before publishing so that you will make sure everything is in there. So by clicking any of them, go to link. And clicking by Alexandra, go to about. And then contact. Go to Facebook. Instagram, Twitter, Google. And for example, if a person sent, your email is missing, please provide a valid email. Message has been sent. Okay. Whenever you click on this one, you'll also go to home as well as this. You'll be able to magnify it just like I picked. Okay. And once you're satisfied with it, Now once you're satisfied with it, then publish. This is the website. This is the name of the website. And then done. And now you're finally done. You just made your own website. To enter it, type the link that I just showed you. So as you can see, this is my website, and bam, here you go. This is how to make a website using Wix. Thanks for watching and have a great day.